And I want to say that 90 years of being my age has taught me a lot. But today, you start your day as a couple. Also, Merita, don't be like my wife Grasha. She ran up with a woman named Sushi. And they were at John Dobbs when I found them. I just want to wish you everything of the best from your great man, Nelson Rorislava. Thank you.
He digs you guys, man. I hope you guys are going to stay there recording a little bit later. Marriage is such a beautiful thing. They say that your wedding day is the best day of your life. How many of you agree with it? Put your hands up. Your wedding day is the best day of your life. Please put your hands up. And after that, everything was terrible. Bashir, when you get married, they say that your life is complete. But between me and you, bro, your life is finished. It's going to take a long time. Obviously, you've got these things on your fingers called rings. They say that it's a complete circle that's never ending. It's like the love that you're going to be sharing with each other. It's a complete circle that's never ending. You're going to wake up in the morning and you're going to find the same person next to you. No, it's not going to change. It's going to be the same person. So you've got to work with that ring that's going to be rolling around. Speaking about rings, they say that there was an avatar, that's a person who came down as God, for those of you who don't know, and chose the ring finger for a specific reason. Now, for those of you in the car, if you can follow me, I'm sure you've finished having your meal so far. If you can touch the tips of your fingers for me, and bend your middle finger in. You bend your middle finger in, why? So that you don't swear your husband because he's sitting next to you. Now, I'm going to tell you what your fingers represent. Your thumbs represent your grandparents. Your forefingers represent your parents. Your ring finger represents the love of your life. And your baby finger represents your siblings and your children to be. Now, for those of you who have your hands touching, your fingers touching, you'll see that your thumbs separate. This means that your grandparents will leave you sometime in your life. Your grandparents also tell you that you need to cook your own food and do your own thing. Your forefingers will also separate, telling you that your parents are also going to get a deck of you some stage in their life. Can't I keep ironing your clothes for shield? Can't. And they separate, they will go their own way. Your baby finger, it will separate because when you have your kids, you will realize that they're an entity of their own. And they will path their own ways. They separate. Now, for those of you who have your fingers like this, try separating your ring finger. Like our good man who sang the song, Go to me, go to me, go to me. You guys know him? It does not separate at all. It tells you that that finger that you have your ring on is meant for the one that you love. So treasure it. Michelle, please don't leave your ring next to the sink in the bathroom. If you don't have that mesh on your sink, your wife will kill you. Ladies and gentlemen, without much further ado, I'd like to call upon our next speaker. And we're hoping that we're going to get loads of secrets out of this speaker. Of course, our first speaker for today is the brother-in-law of our crew. And we'd like to call upon Nolan. If he's in the crowd, please give Nolan a big round of applause as he's going to tell us all the secrets.
Afternoon, everyone. Like Julius, but then people get afraid when I get hold of the mic. So just bear with us. So when you get married, you can't be complacent, after many years, your wife is there. And as our MC said, you just go about the motions, your wife is there every day, and you start giving birth to kids and raising them up and things like that. And you often get complacent, you forget what it means to be married. As we were coming up the stage here, I had a moment of complacency. And as we got to the top of the stage, my wife said, stand up straight. And that's when I remembered, we're still married. Without further ado, I'd like to say namaste and good afternoon and welcome to our respected elders, ladies and gentlemen. I think we've been given the opportunity to speak and we basically give thanks and appreciate everyone for attending here today. And as a result, for the Shield, we're going to be saying a couple of words on behalf of the Suklo family. The Shield, I've grown to know the Shield as a well-respected and gentleman that he has become. And as a result, I know that he's going to be looking after Narita and he's going to take the best care for her as well. And basically moving on to the show and okay. So Kishore and Janika, well done on bringing out such an amazing person in the show. His character and person speaks thousands. And as a result, he will be the great husband that we know him and how he has grown up to become. Michelle, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to speak.
The love between Narita and Rochelle began, as Rochelle rightly said, 6 years ago. Narita and I participated in the Miss India South Africa Gauteng tournaments in Indonesia, and Rochelle, I thought, was there for sure to support his sister, me. In return, found his soulmate, Narita. The love and bond between Rochelle and Narita, and the love story all began that night.
Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'd like to, at this juncture, I'd like to take the opportunity to speak directly to Narita. Narita, I would like to take this opportunity personally to welcome you to the family, not as Rochelle's wife, not as a sister-in-law, but mostly and importantly as a sister. To Narita's mom and dad, thank you for bringing up Narita for the person she is, for a person whom others see all of her values and qualities as a young, strong woman. We can all definitely see why Rochelle and Narita found their way to each other, as all their values and morals complement each other.
To the Badesi family, I would like to extend a heartfelt thank you for the warm reception on which we were greeted as Rochelle's entourage this morning. For all the hard work that you have all put in to make this function an absolute fairy tale ending for Rochelle and Narita. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Uncle Kishore and Auntie Anita, as well as Rochelle, we would like to thank everyone for lending a hand in making this function a success. From Rochelle's side, from the time we left Indonesia all the way through to Newcastle.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, I'm sure you can see to the left and to the right of the bride and bridegroom, the photos of the grandparents and people who have departed who aren't here to share the special day with us. If we can, just take a few moments just to bow our heads and remember those who are not here today to share this day with us. Please can we just have a moment of silence, please? Sorry guys, can we please just get a moment of silence? A few words of encouragement coming from a married man. As you know, I'm married to your cousin. Very beautiful, stunning cousin. Expecting a second baby and everything. Please, when you're right, you're wrong. And when you're wrong, you're wrong. Okay? And when you get asked that dreaded question, honey, does my bum look big in this? If you have to say no and move on. If you have to say yes, disguise your answer with something that she will definitely not believe. Like Man United is going to win the league this year. She'll completely forget it. She'll move right on. Guys, I just had a small bit of humor. I just want to tell you guys a quick little joke. So, it was a bit of a sad day. The entire world gets wiped out and everyone ends up in heaven. And God is standing around, He's telling everyone to line up and He wants the men to line up on one side of heaven. And He says, like all the men who were dominant in their homes, I'd like you to stand to my right. And all the men who were dominated by their wives, I'd like you to stand on the left-hand side. And God clicks His fingers, all the men start shuffling about. And what He starts to notice is a trend. All the men who are dominated by the wives start to line up on one side. And when He looks again to the men who are dominant in their homes, Rochelle is the only guy standing there. So he says, Rashil, my son, I am completely flabbergasted that all the men who are put on earth who are supposed to be dominant in their homes are standing on the other side who are dominated by the wives. Please can you tell all these men how it is that you came about to be standing in the aisle of the men who dominated their homes? He says, Larita told me to stand here. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You're listening afternoon.
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, if you could please take to your seats, and if you're not having a seat, we'd like for you to give the speakers some attention as well. They are standing in front, and the brown couple is obviously listening to them, so please, let's keep the silence a bit lower. There is a message from a gentleman who's driven all the way from Durban to be here, and he says the following. Hello, everybody. Just wanted to tell you that I drove all the way from Durban, all the way right here to Newcastle, and I hit one cow on the road. Well, I thought it was a cow, but it was actually my wife, Asa Devi. And she looked at me and she said, move, move. I said, don't say move, say move. I was telling you to move on the way. So for those of you who know the Raj, he's going to be in your presence right here today. And please do keep the silence as we're going to be calling up our next speaker. We've got our speakers on camera. Paparazzi, are you good? Paparazzi's good right here. For those of you who are looking forward to wishing the bridal couple, if you could just have your seats, and they will be out in a couple of seconds. We're just going to get concluded with our speakers so far. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call upon our next speaker, and she's played a vital role in the bride's life. She's worked tirelessly, and in the bride's speech, you've noticed that a lot of reverence and respect goes to somebody who's younger than the bride herself, which takes a lot and lots of respect from both sides. Ladies and gentlemen, if you could please give your hands and put your hands together for the sister of the bride, Nerika Bidesi. Please give her a round of applause. Also to keep the silence as she's going to be speaking out loud in front of you, please have the respect to not make noise. Thank you.
Premi Masjid, friends and family, I would like to welcome you all here on behalf of my parents and myself. Most people here know her as a celebrity, a beauty queen, the current queen of the universe and the whole of Africa. But to me, she's just my baby, my one and only sister. My sister's dream as a little girl was to become a glamorous supermodel and to travel the world. And today, before becoming a bride, she has made all her dreams become a reality. Having completed a national diploma in tourism management from the University of Johannesburg, she is a travel agent by profession, which has allowed her to travel to over 50 different countries, including Brazil, Spain, Austria, and Germany. With several different interests, her passion lies in pageantry, which has been her hobby for the past 15 years, and has helped her earn 2 international titles. But my sister is not only a beauty queen, she's a very loving and compassionate person, and has made great sacrifices to assist and to support many charity organizations that are close to her heart. But during the past 2 years that I lived with her, she was not only my sister, but she became my best friend and my parents. She was always there for me to turn to for moral support and help. The night she got engaged was the most shocking night of my life, because I felt that I had lost my sister and my best friend forever. But when I turned to her and I saw the tears of joy in her eyes, I realized that she had met her soulmate, someone who will always keep your hope in her life. Rashid, you're not only my brother-in-law, but the brother that I never had. You're always there for me to laugh with, joke, and make tease. You've been there for my sister and my parents the past 6 years, and being able to support and encourage my sister throughout her life, which contributes to her tremendous success. You truly are her best half and you complete each another. I would like to wish Rashid and my sister all the love, happiness, and success for the future. And Bibi, I truly am proud and honored to have you as my sister, and I'm really going to miss you a lot. My message is to hear everyone's name, and to see beyond the titles of Miss Africa and Queen of the Universe,
but to see Nerita as the amazing individual that she is, because she truly is an inspiration to us all. Getting to know Nerita is getting to know religion, because that is what she is. On behalf of my parents, I would like to thank all of you who have taken the time out to attend this auspicious occasion, especially those of you who have traveled long distances and our partners from Nerita. And I wish that you partake in this provided and have a safe journey back home. Thank you and namaste.
Ladies and gentlemen, while we're going to be continuing with our program, we almost completed our program. We're going to ask our bridal couple to, I'm sure they're going to make their way down to the main table. Jacob Zuma says, Madiba told Jacob Zuma, my brother, I think you and your wife are going to be together for 1, 2, 3, 4, forever. So he's going to be together forever with 4 people. He's hoping he's going to enjoy that right here. Ladies and gentlemen, a vote of thanks is much needed. But before we do that, I've got something from the folks of Nerita. That's from Daisy and Nash, and they'd like to say the following. At the outset, we would like to thank God for blessing us with children like Rachel and Nerita, and in-laws like Kishore and Nerita. To Rachel, you were the son that we didn't have. Thanks for treating us with respect, kindness, patience, and love. Today we give away our angel, and know that you will treat her like a princess. Because like us, you will never want to see tears in our eyes, and love her to eternity. Dear Kishore and Anita, from the day we first met, we knew you'd be the perfect parents to Nerita. Thanks for being understanding, giving her the love, moral support, and accepting her as your daughter. We promise and assure you that she will always respect, love, and care for you all. To our darling daughters, Nerita, the day you were born, Dad and I knew that you would be a beauty queen someday. You were a daughter, one only dreamt about. You have been our confidant, best friend, and someone we can always turn to for moral support. Today, Dad and I would like to thank and extend our sincere thanks for being a wonderful daughter and making us proud while reaching for the stars and fulfilling your dreams. Thank you for giving us and Nerita the opportunity to travel the world. You have grown into a beautiful, graceful, disciplined, and confident young woman. With the great morals and standards, your talents have surpassed the expectations of many and inspired and set high standards for the others to follow. Congratulations to you and Rachel. May God always be with you, now and always. And we wish you oceans of love and happiness. You are our shining star, and we'll always be here for you both. Love, Mom and Dad. Give Mom and Dad a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. A concerted effort to tell them how they feel right here today. Also, without these service providers and people that were here today to sort this particular function out, it would not have been possible. So without much further ado, I'd like to thank the following people on behalf of Rachel, Nerita, and family for the video and photography, our paparazzi, the video and filming done by Vic Maharaj. The photography was given as a gift to Nerita from the gentleman by the name of Rob, and he hails from Fancy That Models. And of course, the models that you saw earlier on, bringing in the bride to be, were the models from Pageants SA. And a big thank you would like to go out to Jackie and Caroline. Nerita's pupils were those lovely ladies that we saw in those eyes. Also, the sound that you hear right now would not be possible if it wasn't for a gentleman, Dharam Miraj. I would like to thank him for his sound and music. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, there's so many people to thank in regards to the catering and the decor. I'd like to thank those of you who've done lots of hard work for that. That's coming from the family themselves. And from myself to the bridal couple, I'd like to wish you...
Carry on.
Yeah. Ooh, baby. I wanna tell you now. 'Cause I love you. I feel you. So closely. When I see you standing there, makes me wanna hold you and stop and stare. I want you anyone, what you wanna be. Come on now, be my fantasy. So things not mine, what you wanna sign. Complete and every girl doesn't need to hide. The love that was inside of my brains, my hands, my feet, my tongue. I guess you feel the same.
एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे खिलता गुलाब जैसे शायर का ख्वाब जैसे उजली किरण जैसे वन में हिरन जैसे चांदनी रात जैसे नरमी की बात जैसे मंदिर में हो एक जलता दिया एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा
You and me together, the love we share will last forever. And I know you're a special part of me. You made my life complete, baby. You and me together, the love we share will last forever. And I know in my heart you'll always stay. You take my breath away.
Yeah, I know when you smile, I feel the love. Heaven's not enough to explain the truth. The shivers I feel on my love so real. I want you for me forever, that's the deal. Sweet baby.
लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा
My hands, my feet, my tongue, you feel the same.
एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे सुबह का रूप जैसे सर्दी की धूप जैसे बीना की तान जैसे रंगों की जान जैसे बल खाए बेल जैसे लहरों का खेल जैसे खुशबू लिए आए ठंडी हवा एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा
Oh yeah, that's the time of baby and I'm with you. Heaven's not enough to explain the truth. The shivers I feel on my love so real. I want you for me forever, that's the deal. Never be alone.
लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा
My hands, my feet, my tongue, you feel the same.
एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा जैसे नाचता मोर जैसे रेशम की डोर जैसे परियों का राग जैसे संदल की आग जैसे 16 सिंगार जैसे रस की फुहार जैसे आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बढ़ता नशा एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा ऐसा लगा
I know when you smile, I feel love. I know what you want, my angel, my dove. I know when it feels my heart, because you know without you, you'll never be alone. I know when you smile, I feel love. I know when you want, my angel, my dove. I know when it feels my sweetheart, because you know without you, you'll never be alone.
Bravo, Blackjack, Big Dog,
I'm singing hooks, baby. Here we go. Dino Bravo. I'm singing hooks, baby. Blackjack, baby.
So marvelous, blackjack. Hey yo, who's that girl in a sexy number? Uplomen out of baggy and knickerbocker. Batlele betwa, abena masoga. Out in your mixer, nalabo my sister. Chifta, nangu yang visa. Mangam sister, so tangu tinyamusha. Enenyaziswa, nyumba mbifika. Ngiti mister, can I be your mister?
Hosa, Ufedi Papa. My name is Bugatu, Khalila Gibatas. City, Atwana Liwena, Abayo Bangata. Akubona Milu Yakishapa di Tambla City. Hosa, Ubuzu Mandosa. Uzokela Hutubani Ingalagata. Sister, Mina Yachisa. Impeti Black Jack, Benetina Sadista.
Dino Bravo. I'm singing hooks, baby. Blackjack, baby. Emapebesa, iningathi bayakufrasa. Hosa ngapha ngoba mina uyangikhasa. On the dance floor doing the cha-cha. Change down to Kwasa, inamikasa. Shihlolo ekhaya sibheka ngemuva. Njengomzekezeke sizela kusokurufa. Push cash undercover lava. Namantombazana can't get enough. Baby, ¿qué pasa con nuestra morana? Sexy lady, what you doing to my heart? Mami, yo creo, I believe in your love, Anna. Just wanna tell you that my love is for sure. On your mark, get set, Dino Bravina the place, Anna. Me wanna sing about me girl that me love, Anna. Tú let her know my heart is crying for you. Y con esta canción así te me voy a cantar, Anna. Dino Bravo. I'm singing hooks, baby. Blackjack, baby. I'm singing hooks, baby. I'm singing hooks, baby. I'm singing hooks, baby. Mom, bring the kids into the house. I'm singing hooks, baby. I'm singing hooks, baby. I'm singing hooks, baby. Dino Bravo.
Are you ready? Get it on! प्यार हमको भी है, प्यार तुमको भी है, तो ये क्या सिलसिले हो गए। बेवफा हम नहीं, बेवफा तुम नहीं, तो क्यों इतने गिले हो गए। चलते चलते कैसे ये फासले हो गए। क्या पता कहाँ हम चले। प्यार हमको भी है, प्यार तुमको भी है, तो ये क्या सिलसिले हो गए। बेवफा हम नहीं, बेवफा तुम नहीं, तो क्यों इतने गिले हो गए। चलते चलते कैसे ये फासले हो गए। हो क्या पता कहाँ हम चले।
प्यार हमको भी है, प्यार तुमको भी है, तो ये क्या सिलसिले हो गए। बेवफा हम नहीं, बेवफा तुम नहीं, तो क्यों इतने गिले हो गए। चलते चलते कैसे ये फासले हो गए। ओ क्या पता कहाँ हम चले। दुनिया जो पूछे तो क्या हम कहें, कोई ये हमको समझा दे। ठेस लगी तो पल में टूट गए, शीशे के थे क्या सब वादे।
जाता है कोई क्यों सपनों को ठुकरा के, पाएगा ये दिल क्या किसी को बता के। चलते चलते राख हम बिन जले हो गए।
ओ बुझ गए दिए प्यार के।
प्यार हमको भी है, प्यार तुमको भी है, तो ये क्या सिलसिले हो गए।
डूब गया है जैसे दर्द में दिल, आंसू भरी है अब आँखें।
तन्हाइयों की जो रुत आ गई, उजड़ी हुई है सब राहें।
सोचा था पाएंगे दोनों एक मंजिल को,
राहें जो बदली तो तुम ही बता दो। चलते चलते गुम कहाँ काफले हो गए।
ओ खो गए कहाँ रास्ते।
प्यार हमको भी है, प्यार तुमको भी है, तो ये क्या सिलसिले हो गए।
बेवफा
घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो। हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो। चाहे जो तुम्हें पूरे दिल से मिलता है वो मुश्किल से, ऐसा जो कोई कहीं है बस वो ही सब से हंसी है, उस हाथ को तुम थाम लो, वो मेहरबान कल हो न हो। हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो। पलकों के लेके साए, पास कोई जो आए, लाख संभालो पागल दिल को, दिल धड़के ही जाए, पर सोच लो इस पल है जो वो दास्तां कल हो न हो। हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा